What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at that right there. The NEHEME NH330. It's a little mini drone. It's got a really nice box. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the box. And it's got altitude hold, emergency stop, headless mode, speed switch, 360 flips. All kinds of good stuff. There's all kinds of good stuff on this thing. And I think I have the one here. I don't think it has a camera. I hope it don't. Let's put it that way. I hope it don't. Let's get it out of the box and look at it. All right, everybody, here we are out of the box. And boy, look at all that good stuff. Look at that, 2 batteries, 1 and 2. And they are right here. Some 300s, 3.7 300s. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Here's the quadcopter. It's a beaut. We'll turn it that way so I can make the thumbnail. How about that? There's the on and off switch right there. Let's see. There's some lights, I guess, on the side. In the front. There's how you would plug the battery in right there. Yeah, it's nice. It looks nice. I like it. Here's the transmitter. It's laid out real nice right here. Take off, land, on and off. Over here you got some flips. Over here looks like you got some headless. I'm sure if you click on this, there's some rates here and there and some speeds, or no, I think there's some other little 360 thing that it does too. So here's your charger. There's your little screwdriver. Here's your little quick start guide. And so there's no app or any of that crap, so we don't have to deal with any of that. So we just plug the battery in this way. I think you go in this way first and then just push down on it like that. And then that locks it in there. Yeah, just like that. Then you would turn it on like this. So we're just going to take it off here on the table so you can see it indoors, and then I'll take it out in the back, out in the parking lot there and fly it around a little bit, see how it flies. Looks nice though. There's a nice look to it. So let's start that up there. Let's see how the bind is. There it is. Down and to the left is the bind. So let me just move the camera over here a little hair, and we'll just spin it around a little bit. Nice. Great stuff. Great stuff. Let's take it outside and fly it. All right, guys, we're out here with the NEHEME NH330. There it is. It's a legend. It's a legend in its own mind. Let's fire it up. Let's fire it up and see how it flies, right? There's the level calibration. I will put the time in like I always do. Look at that, flies nice. This is just the first rate. Here's the second rate. There's the third rate. There's a flip. Oh, it's pretty fast. Look at it. Goes pretty good. Look how nice it flies. Look how nice it steers. Wow. Great, great stuff. Oh yeah, this thing handles like a dream. No problem flying this thing. Oh yeah. Great outside here as long as it's not windy. Which right now it is not. A couple miles an hour, that's it. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Fantastic. Great flyer. Plus you get 2 batteries, right? So that's a good deal. Now let me see what this other button is about. I'm just not sure what it does here. Is that, yeah, okay, forget that. That's the headless mode. Okay, I was wondering what the heck that was. And then we got this other one here. I think that's some kind of auto, goes into some kind of auto type deal. I'm just not sure. So I'm letting it go. Now I hit it. It's trying to do something. Okay, so it's gonna crash because I... Okay, let me go get it. I don't know what it was doing there. It's some kind of mode, I'm just not sure, you know. No big deal. Like I said, I'll put the flight time in. I'm gonna shut it off and reset it, but that button, in case you want to know, I'm just not sure whether you hit this, press that in, and it goes. Now you see I did it, it just stood there, but then you lose control of the sticks. It's trying to do something, but I'm just not sure what it's trying to do. So I just like the way it flies. Okay, that's all I'm interested in. How does it fly? Okay, so the most important thing, it does really good. Okay, it really flies great. And that is the most important thing with these toys, because there is nothing more frustrating than giving a toy quadcopter like this to a kid and it not fly good. Because then the kid gets all frustrated because it doesn't steer well, and then they start crashing it and all that other stuff. At least if it steers well and nimble like this thing, at least they have a chance to fly it. But when it doesn't fly well and drifts all over the place and it's not responsive to the controls, then it's not worth buying. But as you can see, this thing here is well worth buying. Okay, I highly recommend this thing. Oh yeah. This thing's smooth as glass. Look at that. Wow. Very impressed. Plus the battery seems to be holding up here pretty good too. What was that, a 300 in there, right? Yeah. I think that's what it said. Then of course you can always test the battery to see how much battery life you got by trying to do a flip. Okay, so it's still flipping, but it was not flipping. Okay, so there's a warning light. It wasn't flipping real tight on that one. I think that last flip did us in. So the battery's gonna, it's giving me the warning now, so we're just gonna let it ride here until it craps out, which it will be doing any second. There it goes. All right, no problem. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention with the inside there is that the transmitter has the 3 AAA batteries. I forgot to say that inside, so I said it now. All right, guys, this was fantastic. Fantastic flyer. Great toy. Get one. You'll love it. Flies great. You can sit in the living room on the recliner and fly this thing around in the living room. Great fun. All right. Have a nice day, guys. I'll talk to you later.